For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngululeko Nkewe. As always, every Monday, I'm with Ubobo and Khaukhelo behind the scenes or behind the camera as well. Thank you very much for joining us. We were not here last week, Monday, because it was an international break. There's nothing much to discuss. I've been told as well, I was going at the mall. I hardly go outside.
Yeah.
And one of the security guards is telling me, you know what? I actually prefer le kunale amagame.
Actually, I'm a game kusuka kusane ukuhluthuka kwenhliziyo.
Oh yeah. No, he says he loves this show. Otherwise,
Yeah.
Grand Bob said,
I know, right, Mr. Nkiu.
yes, sir.
Ithi ngibingelele noHawukelo lapha hlezi khona.
Sure.
Always ushange smile uHawukelo masimbonisa injabulisayo.
There you go.
Yeah.
We welcome everybody. So in this video, we want to discuss Orlando Pirates. There's something that we have to unpack with regards to them and the CAF Champions League. We never got a chance last week to talk about it. And of course, also later on in this video, also keeping with Orlando Pirates, we want to talk about Mbogazi. We'll talk about the rumor that he might be going to the MLS. Also, we have to think about the times and the transfer window and maybe when will he go there and whether or not he's ready for that. I'm sure you've already heard Uguti Mbogazi is wanted in America. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. But it is calling Limpopo and the Pirates.
Yeah.
The reason why I wanted to talk to you about it is because there is an unfair aspect to this.
Yeah.
Number one, the Pirates ne Limpopo bahlukumezana.
Yeah.
In terms of whatever they're doing, umuthi behind the scenes, bahlukumezene nje vele. So they can't complain about that. Although Limpopo bekhala ngayo because bona by capture ku video, but bahlukumezene the way that they were playing against each other. So we can't talk about that. But I think the one that is concerning for me is that coach Guy Bokassa we Limpopo is suspended for 6 matches.
Yeah.
Bamfina nokumfina. Kusho ukuthi iyavuma iCAF ukuthi he was ineligible to be coaching with Pirates. Now, if someone is ineligible to coach, whether it's a player or a coach, because the coach is affecting the game, is live during the game in that match, it means that normally Utebza was ineligible. For example, in my yellow cards, we got deducted 3 points.
Yeah.
Normally, when someone is ineligible, they get taken out of a tournament or they get deducted 3 points if it's a log situation. What did you think about it when you saw Pirates by keeping? Obviously, Pirates is out.
Yes.
But then the punishment ingati ayihambelani nokuthi normally when someone is ineligible, it's supposed to be at least the Pirates comes back to the tournament.
Yeah, Mr. Nkiu. Umbuzo nje usekutheni le case yaka coach njengoba Orlando Pirates icomplain ngalomqeqeshi weLimpopo. Kunama game abuya ku ucoach weLimpopo abacoachile and ngiyacabanga lawo maqembu
First preliminary round.
yeah ayizange mhlambe lawo ma team aloji complain ukuthi ucoach kune suspension anayo.
Sure.
So the question is njengoba manje sibona bamsuspendile njengoba usho kusho kona ukuthi likhona iphutha lenzile ucoach njengoba beyakhona game Orlando Pirates. So mina umbuzo wami lapha ku CAF ukuthi iCAF yona uma ngabe ikwazi ukufind out ukuthi ucoach uguilty ibheke ukuthi uma manje ama group stages already ayoqala la adlale khona bayathatha babuyela back bayobheka ukuthi na izosinikeza iproblem yini ukusolve lenkinga le esinayo manje because udlale kwamanye ama game or iCAF ibheke ukuthi ucoach even though angekho yes ukhona ukuthi mshini
He's on the team list. You can see him
ukhona
coaching.
ukhona
We
yeah,
affect
coach.
game.
You understand. So ngizibuza ukuthi umthetho wabo lapha uthini because angaze ngibone into efana nale nkuleko ukuthi ucoach mangaba asuspendiwe bese abe khona wapi mhlawumbe ama decision ekumele bawathathe but ngiyacima ukuya ngencwadi yabo kumele ukuthi mangabe bafuna ukumphanisha bamphanisha according to le rule lesho lokho.
So kule ndaba ye punishment Bob said,
Yeah.
we will always be as fans
Yeah.
because singaphandle we will always have complaints ngoba
Yes.
punishment has multiple ways in which it can be met out.
Yeah.
If you remember Sundowns playing Bloemfontein Celtic final. I think it was one of the last tournaments Rapito.
I think it's Telkom.
Telkom, yes, it was a cup Tebogo Langaman
yes,
on
I
the
remember.
team sheet.
Yeah.
And then and it was around about COVID or exactly COVID.
Yeah.
With team sheet Sundowns, there was a mistake made by maybe Upitan Ndlovu, who was a manager at the time. I think he was the one who was blamed. Maybe as ETC Ipegalia case, they said, okay, the player didn't play. Yes, ukona ku team sheet, yes, ugqokile, because I think he was there physically.
Yeah,
but-
we are from Goma stand. Angisho bathole injury.
Yes, last minute.
Last minute
And
warm
then-
up.
yes,
Yaga matrapa.
Sure.
So then bamlanda wabuya. Kusho kona ukuthi ukhona involved.
You are there,
Yes.
but then the punishment was not ukuthi kukhishwe i-Sundowns in that case.
Yeah.
Because that's why I'm saying in the punishment will always make us complain because
Yeah.
we are outside. When they look at the mitigating circumstances, kuleya case, I'm just making an example ngayo, was that did the player play? Is it wrong now ukuthi abeke team sheet? Yes.
Yes.
Is it suspended? Yes. Did he play? Did it affect the game? That's arguable because yes, mhlambe ngemotivation yakhe he pushed the players to
Yeah.
win the game. I don't know, but most of the time, the people that win the game are those ones who are inside.
Yeah.
Now, that punishment, people complained about it. Some people accepted it. Life moved on. Sundowns ended up winning that trophy. I think they won the treble that year. Imam Sundowns, if I'm not mistaken. I'm talking about that case because there are similarities even in this one. You can even mention other cases.
Yeah.
Gule, when umqeqeshi bamfind ukuthi uguilty,
Yeah.
again I'm going back to your punishment, which will always make us happy or unhappy. CAF has multiple punishments that they can mete out. They can fine you, they can deduct points where points are concerned.
Yeah.
They can kick you out of the competition.
Yes.
Now, this is where we disagree with CAF. Me personally,
Yeah.
I'm disagreeing with you. Number one, we affected game Bukasa.
Yes.
He coached against the Orlando Pirates. He was in the team talk. He was not there for a few minutes. He coached in the first leg and the second leg. And yes, it's always up to the judge, even in criminal court, to say, okay, I give you 15 years or 30 years. If fine, it's still punishment.
Yeah.
Suspension is still punishment. But I think normally Magune ineligibility, people are supposed to be taken out of the tournament. And I think Pirates were unfairly treated in this instance.
Nami ngiyacabanga uyabona iboard yeCAF ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekumele idelay enkuleko idelay ama group stages aqala because mawungayibheka le decision abayithethe because of ama game now sekayaqala the following day
And the draw was
so
done
and
already.
then abafuna ukuzibona ba wrong iCAF angeke ifuna ukuzibona wrong iyofuna ukuthatha idecision ebona ngathini I stop everything leba busy ngayo bazi ukuthi icalendar yeCAF already nayo yenziwe so ngiyacabanga ukuthi le decision abayithethe bayithatha nabo because of abafuna ukubuyela back you remember kwaba ne case ye Ajax la South Africa nabondoro ukuregister kuma team out 3 aphinda adlala
In
kuma
one
team out
season.
3 you understand in one season so nayo lento le igcina se ifika like 10 bafuna ukuthatha idecision ezoba sutha nabo ukuthi no ingahlangahlanganisi izinto but ngendlela usho ngakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ba find out ukuthi ucoach wrong kusho wona ukuthi i-team efana noLupopo Nkuleko bekungamelanga ichubeke idlale because ucoach he was there njengoba sisho bekakhona egamini ye-Orlando Pirates you understand and Orlando Pirates ilojile complain ngalo coach so ngiyacabanga ukuthi lapho iCAF iboard yeCAF isuke yathatha idecision because of ifuna ukuthi isuthe bona but kahle ngiyacabanga ukuthi if bekuyi team yase North like Al Ahly bebazo aphila
They would have taken it to court.
achubeke because they understand ukuthi okay ucoach wenze 1 2 3 i-team kumele ukuthi ifindwe guilty
The fact that Nyampanisha foot,
Yeah.
they would have taken, North Africans, I agree with you.
Yeah.
They would have taken it to a court of arbitration for sport
Yes.
in Switzerland.
Yeah.
But the fact that you are punishing him 6 suspended games and a fine, kusho ukuthi niyavuma ukuthi he was
Wrong.
ineligible.
Yes.
And it's true, it's not a secret to Guti.
Yeah.
When he was coaching under 20 national team, he was suspended from CAF competitions. So he's ineligible to coach.
into ekhona ukuthi manje ubani oletha icala lapha kuCAF iOrlando Pirates
But you remember ukuthi iLesotho kwakuyi Nigeria ehamba phambili ngendaba yabafana bafana.
yabafana yeah I
You know,
know
Lesotho was, I think maybe at some point they ended up writing their complaint,
Yeah.
but they were not interested because it was not going to help them. So they would have, the previous team,
Yeah.
maybe as Kuxoxwa, they could have even joined Nabo. Because you can join a
Ukuthi
case,
nakithi udlalile.
it affected us as well.
Iya lapho
So
Nkululeko.
so it would have complicated, I agree with you,
Yeah.
but it was going to complicate, because obviously we're limited by our time frames.
Ama time yes.
Ukuthi njengoba ukhuluma ngecalendar we must play these games at a certain time. But maybe as we wrap it up, because we want to talk about Umbogazi quickly, it needs to be said that Lupopo is not supposed to be in this competition. It is a wrong decision to kick out the Pirates. Yes, Lupopo won against Pirates on penalties. That's fair. That's fair that they won, but for ineligibility, they were supposed to be taken out.
Yeah, ngendlela ngibona ngakhona Nkuleko ukuthi bekungamelanga ukuthi baqhubeke badlale. So njengoba sisho sithi bazama ukuthi abafuna ukucomplicate izinto njengoba sibona ukuthi ube involved na kwamanye ama game. So kuzobanikeza inkinga ukuthi baphinde babuyele back njengoba we can join i-race yokuthi no nakimi udlalile lo muntu iza kanjani. So uyabona ukuthi uyothatha isikhathi and nayi i-AFCON ibhekane nathi manje. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bafuna ukusimplify izinto ukuthi guys njengoba le case kanje siyabona ukuthi imoshekile ukubuyela emuva. So asithathe decision yokuthi iLupopo ichubeke idlale still ngama-fine kuphela.
Nice one. If you're an Orlando Pirates fan, let us know what you think about it. How do you feel about it? There's nothing that's going to change, of course, but it's fair that we have a discussion about this because, of course, it's going to happen to another team. We're going to talk about it. We're going to complain about it, but in the spirit of fairness as well. Because you remember, even in 2016, when Sundowns wins the Champions League, they win. They were playing against Vita. Vita wins on away goals, and then there's a player ineligible that was not supposed to play, and then Vita was taken out of the competition because, of course, they played an ineligible player. Now, of course, this speaks to the time frames complication. Which at that point, maybe it was an easy decision to make because maybe they had evidence it was easy, and then Vita was taken out. But for this one, it's a wrong decision, but it suits the organization. Now then, a young player by the name of Umbegezile Mbogazi, we've just seen him yesterday. Literally, what I mean by that is that he hasn't played more than 2 years in the Premier Soccer League. It was only yesterday that we saw him play, and we said he looks like Umbulelo Mabizela. He's very good, and we saw him play. And now there is a report that came from Mark Gleason originally this weekend, and everyone else, of course, in media, including ourselves, Itiski Times, are reporting that he is joining an MLS side, Chicago Fire. Of course, that's not yet confirmed, but it looks like all roads are leading to that. So we want to congratulate him. We want to talk about whether or not he's ready to join MLS. How will Pirates be able to plug that gap? Will they miss him now? Bob said, did you think that it's realistic or it's a real story? Did you have any doubts about it?
I think Nkuleko lento yakambokazi anginama doubts realistic. Umele ubheke ukuthi noma ngaba uyiruma uyayideserve yini lento abakhuluma ngayo na ukuthi angahamba.
Does it even make sense now?
Exactly. So izokutshela ukuthi ingaba into ezoyenzeka kungasikudala.
Yeah. Let's talk about Orlando Pirates. We'll talk about Umbogazi again. In terms of how he could fit overseas and whether maybe the style of play. But with Pirates, I think Unkota moved to Saudi Arabia. And of course, the question was, how do they replace him? At the time, we always have to ask these questions. We are content creators after all. And we saw them replacing with Usibelibele on the right-hand side, Apolis on the right-hand side. And Orlando Pirates have become maybe stronger, or they've not dropped the level with Unkota. People are scoring goals where he was with Unkota. And now he's fitted smoothly in Saudi Arabia with Al Ettifaq. Umbogazi, what does the future look like for Pirates in the centre back? Just help us unpack that. I'm an option with centre back. Ukhumbule ukuthi bekunabo Sesane, abonda, aboxoki, abosibisi. So do you think they would even miss him?
Nkuleko Umbogazi deyangakhona. Umdlalo top kakhulu. Asasemncane umbona kanje. But for Orlando Pirates angeke kube nzima to replace Umbogazi. I'm telling you angeke kube nzima. Bekunondala lapha kule centre back. Besimrate unda ukuthi kuyoba nzima ukureplace umdlalo ofana nonda. Benzeni baletha umdlalo ofana noSisane. Manje uSisane uhlushwa ama injuries njengonda. Bamlethile uCM. So akukho nzima for Orlando Pirates. Even ngalesa sikhathi basayina umdlalo ofana noXoki noSibisi bebasayina experience, but knowing very well ukuthi kuma scout Orlando Pirates, good development Orlando Pirates, it's easy for bona. That is why culture yabo abayilahli be Orlando Pirates. If bafuna ukusayina ama winger, they know ukuthi they must sign ama speedy players. So kuyoba lula for bona. Ungabona Umbogazi ukungabi khona kwakhe manje mangaba ngahamba ne. Kuyoba lula for bona. Yes, kungafika lo mdlali angabe mhlambe abe yilento Umbogazi ayiyo. Njengoba sibona Umbogazi ufika ukunikeza into ehlukile kunonda. ukunikeza into ehlukile kunosisane kuleya center left we understand udila ngabadlali une physique because uma ungabheka unda beyangadili ngamandla most of the time nosisane bebasebenzisa nje kuphela i-timing you understand so for mina i-Orlando Pirates angeke benzima ukuthi nga replace umdlalo ofana noMbokazi.
Yeah, it's impressive, and we've spoken a lot in the past few weeks about them. There's quality.
Yeah.
I hardly see them make mistakes, Orlando Pirates, with who they sign in different positions.
Yeah.
It's always quality. And also, as well, Luciema, it's been 2 minutes that we were watching him, already fits in like a glove as well. So it's not a negative on Umbogazi that they won't miss him if he leaves. It's a positive on the Pirates that they are identifying players.
Yes. So, Nkuleko, lento engizama ukuyibeka njengaye umdlalo ofana noMbokazi ukuthi uma ungathi uyayibheka before they release a player ngiyacabanga abasuka sebazi ukuthi ubani umdlali esizomletha kule position uzokwazi yini ukuyimela lento bekade imela lo mdlalo ohambayo njengoba unikeze example ngomdlalo ofana noNkotha uNkotha uhambile but bese bazi ukuthi ubani umdlali esizomletha kulela wing ama signing wabo ayakutshela ukuthi okay when they release lo mdlali kumanje ngutshela ngomdlalo ofana noReilly I think ukushifta nje kancane ingene kuyi mhlambe basayibhekile lento ukuthi ubani umdlali unga replace uReilly uzodlala the way phela akadlali njengabanye abadlali uReilly ngifuna ukutshela into e1 uma ungabheka akusile ama wing owajwayele uReilly ukwazi ukudlala ngendlela eziningi kuleko uyakwazi ukukhatha in uyakwazi ukudlala as10 ajoin akusulo umuntu ukuthi vele uzodlala mhlawumbe ngepace akana pace udlala ngendlela adlala so babhekile ecala mhlawumbe ukuthi ubani umdlalo onga replace lo mdlali before singa release lo mdlali so ngiyacabanga ukuthi for uMbokazi they are ready to replace uMbokazi if bangam release ahambe.
Absolutely. Yeah, I don't think anyone would disagree with that. Let's talk about yena kumdlali. We've seen a couple of players going to America. Olotu Makhanya from Stellenbosch is there. Ubonga Kuhle Hlongwane left Maritzburg United and went to America. And he played for Bafana briefly, not much as well. There's coach Bradley Cannell there in America. I'm not sure if I'm missing any other player from South Africa to America. Oh yeah, Cassius Mailula as well. I think he's back in Africa or say Belgium, but he belongs to America from his Sundowns as well. That place, MLS, of course, in the profile, Gunabo Messi. There's players about Thomas Muller leaving big European clubs. Bakula, they go to MLS as well. Is that a good maybe development route for him before ahamba Europe?
Yeah, Nkuleko, kumele sibheke ukuthi kulabadlali babalile abaya eUSA bangake badlala bakhone ukubreaka through ukuye Europe via USA. I think abo Portugal thina sigood nabo amazafana nabo Belgium yila khona ngibona ngathi sigood kulamazwe ukuthi via ukuya eEurope ku right mafuna udlala ama top leagues uye via bona. Remember sagcina ukukhipha abadlali la abazoya straight ku eEurope kuma team akhruti uma ungabheka kulesa squad sabo 96 yilabadlali abangisho ukuthi basuka straight bayale manje Nkuleko si limited especially ukuthi ukhona umdlali ongasuka la ayodlala ku top leagues na eEurope akuvamisile so kumele sibe nendlela ukuthi labadlali uma bahamba ngayiphi okay le deal ungayibheka financial wise iyayisuthi Orlando Pirates ngamsutha uMbokazi and ukhumbula usemsebenzini uMbokazi kumele at the end of the day kunomndeni akumele awondle so into esifana nalezi kumele uzibheke ukuthi okay uyahamba umdlalo uya eUSA bangaki badlala abakhona ukuya bayodlalela ama top leagues via eUSA so nako lokho kumele sikubheke ukuthi bakhona yini la because uMbokazi can play kuma top leagues ngifuna ukuba honest uMbokazi wena Mr Nkuyo angadlala kuma top leagues
so it looks ready
ubonakala ready because uyambona ukuthi emqondweni so ready ukuthi I can go and compete nabantu abaphezulu so lapha eUSA njengoba ukhuluma ngabo Thomas Muller abo Messi badlali laba sebake bayithasha leya ceiling babuya back to kulawo mazi uya understand into lokuye so angeke ukuthi umdlali osane lukusasa ele right ummikise kulama league afana nalawo because of kunabo Messi yes bo Messi balapho but babuya phi bo Messi badlalile kuma top leagues so for mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi
mhlambe isikalo sakho I level ye league otherwise it's a good move in terms of ukuphuma eSouth Africa to go overseas.
He's ready, it's a good move but uyapi umbuzo ukuthi uyapi la yakhona uyokhula yini na ngakwemidlalo because Nkuleko kubalekile nako ukuthi abadlali sibabheke ukuthi bayapi phela kuye Europe baningi badlala banga Europe bowazi wena ukuthi umdlali ofana no Ngezana kube isurprise ukuthi uyahamba eEurope umdlalo ofana nomati ukuthi uyahamba
And
uye
he's playing Europa League
and
now.
he's playing Europa League, you understand? So kuyana sometimes nangokuthi ubani umdlalo okumanejayo,
Yeah.
uyakwazi yini ukuthi akumanage ngendlela right
Yeah,
ukuthi
for
la uya
Orlando,
khona.
for Orlando Pirates, I
Yeah.
agree with you on that point that they can't say no. They can say no, of course, in Mali Pirates, but it's a very big deal for them. It's a very good deal. Like if you make 50 million
Yeah,
for a
umdlalo
single player,
udevelopile.
yeah, exactly, and
Yeah.
you got him maybe when after he was 17 or 18, and he spent 2 or 3 years with you, good. You make a big profit for that.
Yeah, for Pirates it's a good move. It's like when Sundowns sell umdlalo ofana no Percy Tau, it was a good money now.
Sure.
We understand that because if bazoza ngama 50 Nkuleko, angiboni ukuthi ikhona team engathi no.
Yeah,
And,
there's no need to say no.
There's no need to say no because iphi offer ufuna ukumrelease ngayo.
Yeah.
Because
Because
if
it's
he
not
offer-
100 million
it's not-
or 150.
We understand.
Yeah, he's not a player who has won the Champions League and stuff like that.
Yeah, so but for mina Nkuleko for yena already ukuthi angahamba, just that ile league nje engenza ukuthi ngibe nama doubt ukuthi angaba yidlala kuyo because mangibheka uMbokazi umbheke emdlali ongayothi ibafana bafana ingabenefita ngaye la yodlala khona because akuncedi kuyodlala eEurope udlale la khona mhlawumbe ungeke sometimes abanye abatholi nama game time abanye abaspendi 3 years bayabuya because basuka baye endaweni wrong kulama league abakuwo, but for uMbokazi angifuni ukudoubt Nkuleko, the boy is ready ukuthi angahamba ayocompete eEurope.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Bobsy. Thank you very much to Khaukhelo. Thank you very much to everyone as well. That's us this Monday. Orlando Pirates is playing, coincidentally, the whole episode was about Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is playing tomorrow as well.
Yeah.
So we'll be back tomorrow. What are they playing? Makesi? I can't remember now, but the Orlando Pirates are playing tomorrow. So the whole crew of Itiski TV will be back tomorrow at 7:30. Thank you very much for watching us.